Hello, welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna show you how you can install the kind of weird name, but VEIKK, I don't know what the what the hell is that name is, but whatever, that weird named graphics tablets drivers on Linux. So as a first thing that I have to tell you is that all of this, I think, far as I know, and none of them, far as I have one graphic tablet that has to be that branding, and the general drivers, all of them, I think, performs the same. So I guess any type of graphic tablet that you use in that branding will work on this method. So keep that in mind. So the first thing that you have to do is grab the package. Well, I guess the packages through the website, which I'm going to use the official drivers here. They actually were not that old as I expected. They actually released it 2 or 3 years ago. I know that sounds too old, but uh, I think they're still updating them. But the yeah, it's really new. But the first time that they actually released for Linux is quite new, so I was quite shocked about that, because the first time that I had the tablet, the drivers weren't available and you had to use the GitHub method, but that is no longer needed. But here's the catch: since we were using Slackware, now you could apply this method to any type of Linux distro that is running Fedora or things like that, but since I'm using Slackware, there has to be an extra step. Like, you can use it in Ubuntu as well, but we're not going to pay attention to that as well. Uh, we're going to pay attention to how we can use it in Slackware. So, uh, we're going to grab the Fedora package, well, Fedora, Mageia, and all that stuff. Now, you might ask, we can't use RPMs. Well, we're going to do some kind of a magic here. So, sorry for the screen tearing because I'm not using the effects and all that stuff because I don't like the composer. It's just gonna make my whole recording slower, so I disabled it. Whatever. So grab this package. I already downloaded, so just don't have to click it, but I already did. Whatever. Download it. There you go. This here, and then open it through here somewhere like that. And just go into my file manager. Oh, I didn't open it. Well, whatever. I will open it now. Okay, here you go to my downloads. Okay, here's the package. Now, you need to just extract it because it's a zip file. So, do an extraction real quick. Now, yes, you will be correct if you just said this won't work with an RPM package in Slackware, because Slackware doesn't support RPMs. But here's the little catch: that why did it extract this? Where is it? I don't see it. It says it extracted it, but it's nowhere to be seen. Okay, there we go. It has a weird name. It happened the same time. I don't know why they did that. Like, yeah, I guess I understand why. Whatever. So there it is. There's the package. And now, you can't do this right away, but here's the method that is actually baked into the Slackware itself. Open a terminal instance inside this window. Wait for the terminal to open. I hope it doesn't perform it this slow. And yours, I guess it's just me because of the virtual machine. Not virtual machine, but the recording part just makes it slower. So what you need to do is write this command, rpm. Okay, I have to pause this because, oh my god, what have I done? I'm gonna pause it. Okay, there was no problem. I did not do anything wrong. I just thought there was something going wrong. But no, I'm fine. Going back to the video. So you just have to write rpm to t e. Okay, this is the command, right? Yeah, here's the command. So you're gonna write this, and before you do that, you can just do NLS to see which file you're looking for. There you go. Find the file and write this command. You can just write V and push tab, and it will auto line this up. And now if you push and start this will actually make this package Slackware compatible. Now you do have to pay attention to one thing: this won't always work for every single program that you use, since Slackware, it does get old, new, and all that stuff. It just might not fit the dependencies that that package requires. But in this case, I did had zero issues with this RPM package. You could also do the one that is meant for Ubuntu, far as I know, but you do need to install an additional component, an additional package to order to convert it. So I will explain you that later on with some other things, because that's not needed in this one. So it's created. It's pretty basic what you need to do. Actually, I should show you in the file manager what happened. There it is. This is the Slackware compatible package that has been created, and all you gotta do is now, you know those commands. You have to be sudos now to order to do it, and just write install pkg and the package that you're looking for, and just write, there you go, the package. And now there's a little bit of a detail that I want you to touch on, and that is the package description would be empty in these ones, because that's a special for the Slackware's package manager, I guess. So the packages don't have that kind of description, but it doesn't really affect the usability of the program. And after you should reboot if you want, but I guess you can just run the package by name. And after that, this should appear in your tray. I kind of hide it in here, so if I could just push it and open this up. Oh, what the? There you go. This icon should appear, and you could simply just interference with this program now. This will just open up. I don't have this tablet plugged in, so as well just. And this, I don't know why it's not connecting right now. But it should be just fine, and see your tablet here. So I don't know what's the issues. I'm gonna connect it correctly and just show you. So I did connect the device right now. I don't know why there was some type of connection issue in that point. It was not specifically the device's problem, I think. Whatever, as you can see, it's connected, it's saying my device. And I also opened up Krita to show you that the pressure sensor is working. So it's just gonna, oh my god, this is slow. But if I just press it super hard, I should just change the brush for this to kind of make it more obvious. If I just push it like this and really gentle, you can see that you can kind of see what's happening. If I push it too hard, it has the pressure sensor working. So yeah, this is how you can get the official drivers working with no problem. You can also see that. So yeah, thanks for watching. So I hope this was useful. I kind of think that Slackware users are super low. I hope that actually kind of grows, because it's even hard to get packages from others. It's like you have to do an extra work to just get an package to work in Slackware, unlike in other Linux distros in some cases. But whatever, I'm still gonna use Slackware. I just love it. So yeah, thanks for watching.